bringing you guys another airdrop tap to earn on Telegram because many of you are requesting it. So here I am with one more tap to earn airdrop on Telegram. However, I just want to make a quick disclaimer that these short term airdrops that you hope that we just tap daily on some applications and we will make some money, there is no guarantee of making money. And yes, I agree with Notcoin. There was an airdrop of Notcoin and I agree that they did a very great ending and distributing money to all the airdrop farmers. However, it is not guaranteed that the upcoming new airdrops like Hamster Combat, Wave Ocean and the upcoming that I will be sharing you guys in my channel, they will guarantee any money. So do invest your time precisely, because obviously these are free, no money needed, but the time is very important. So do decide and make a decision yourself. So this is a quick disclaimer. Let's get straight to the point. This is the airdrop that I am talking about. It is called as Pixel Tap by Pixelverse. So the team's name is Pixelverse. They brought a new project called as Pixel Tap, and to be quite honest, this is one of the most interesting concept airdrops according to me. I have shared with you guys Hamster Combat, Wave Ocean. However, this one, the third one that I am sharing, Pixelverse, Pixel Tap, this is by far the, I would say, interesting to farm and very good concept airdrop. I don't guarantee that they will give any airdrop or not, but however, you can check it out and do try it as well. First of all, link of this Pixel Tap original bot is in the description. Do click that link only. You will get some bonus coins for free as well. And do not click any other link or just go on Google and type, because you can get scammed as well. So I hope you all now know. The first link in the description is the original bot link right there. Alright, so first you land on this bot right here. All you have to do is just tap here, fight for supply. After the bot is launched, you will see an interface like this. So basically what this means is, here is your total balance. This means your total coins. As much as coins you collect, you will be using these coins to upgrade your own bot. Yes, in this airdrop you will get many characters, and the name of these characters are bots. And the main concept behind this airdrop is simple. Let me show you. If you tap here on this fight section, here you can clearly see there is a black puma right here. This character, this is a bot. Also this one is also like some sort of a crab. This is also a bot. So I have two bots right now, and you can clearly see here is an option to upgrade. If I select this option, then these coins right here will get deducted and you can upgrade your character. What's the point of upgrading this bot is, you will be playing against 1v1 from different players globally. So if I click over here random, I will be matched against a random player in real time, a real fight live, and if I win that fight, I will gain some new coins. I hope you all know coins. And if I lose that fight, then I will lose some coins as well. This is the only method to gain and lose coins. So do upgrade your character as much as possible. And the fight includes tapping only. As I told you in the beginning of the video, this is a tap to earn bot, so there is no much any I would say any very hard kind of playing mechanism right here. No, all this includes is tapping only. I will share later on in this video live fighting in front of you guys with a random player also. So right now you can clearly see I can claim here 252,000 tokens right here. So if I tap on it, I can claim this as well. So what you have to do is, you have to log in every hour or every 2 to 3 hours to claim these tokens automatically. Then obviously you can go on this section, reward section, and you can complete some of the daily rewards here as well. This is the daily check-in right here. So you can daily log in and do check-in. If you click here on the tasks section, then there are some small tasks such as follow them on Twitter, join their Telegram channel, etc. and etc. Very easy to do. And this is the daily combo right here. It is kind of a cheat code to make tons of coins for free daily. I will share later in this video how to do this. Now let me show you live. If I click right here on fight, and now I will tap here on random. By this I will be matched. See, this is a random player right here, live fighting. What I have to do is just tap right here on the circle that has been provided. All I have to do is just tap right here on the circle, wherever the circle is pointed. Now out of these 4 cards you have to select one card, and then you again tap like this. You can clearly see at the top there is a countdown. Currently I am winning and my opponent is losing, as you can clearly see, and I won the match right here. So like this you can play it with random people and you will win some coins as well. Guys, this is the only way to win some coins, and obviously this is also a way to check in every hour. Now let me show you the reward section of this main cheat coin, I would say cheat code right here, to make tons of coins for free. What you have to do is just click play right here. After tapping the play option, there are 4 options right here for 4 cards. You have to place these cards in correct order, then only you will make 792,000 coins for free every day. You have to place these 4 cards correctly. This is a daily combo. This means every day these order will get changed. Out of these 15 cards, I would say there are multiple combinations daily. For example, let me just show you today's combination right here. What I have to do is, this is the first card right here. I will tap it and drag it towards the upside right here, and it says wrong. Let me just see. Okay, it's the correct one. Second, this is the card right here. Third card is this one right here, and the fourth card is this one right here. Just like this, I have to tap on the check option, and now you can clearly see each and every card is correct. You can clearly see green, 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 and I have won 792,000 coins. How to find this daily combo? Well, you can just go on YouTube or you just go on Google and type Pixelverse or Pixeltap daily combo cards, and you will get all the answers there. It's very easy and you can claim coins easily. You can clearly see now I have 1 million coins right here in front of you guys. I will link the official Pixelverse Telegram announcement channel in my description. Do join it as well, because they will be giving regular announcements on when is the token listing and what is the last date of mining this airdrop. Each and everything they will be announcing here only, so it's better to join this channel and be updated in real time. Also, you can join and or else you can visit their website as well. Link of their official Pixelverse website is in the description. If you want, you can go and check it out as well, pixelverse.xyz. So yes guys, I hope you all now know how to mine Pixeltap from Pixelverse. It is a very good concept airdrop according to me, and in compared to Hamster Combat and Wave Ocean, it is a very good airdrop and free to join, player versus player in real time. So do mine it if you feel like doing so. If you feel like okay, it is worth your time, then definitely you can try it out as well. And do follow their Telegram announcement channel. They will be giving you latest updates on when is the listing and when is the last session of airdrop mining. All the link of Pixelverse is in the description. Their website, their Telegram, and the main Pixeltap airdrop bot are in the description. Do follow it and get free coins as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.